So in my last video, I said I was going to speak about tips for studying that is going to help you to study better and be able to focus better. So first of all, there is something called the Pomodoro Technique. And this technique is whenever you study for 25 minutes, you rest for 5 minutes. But somebody might say, but I can't even study for 25 minutes, or I can study more than 25 minutes. Personally, I do not have a particular range for the period of time I can study. So this is what I do. Instead of studying for a particular period of time, I first of all try to understand my body. Then after which I study for an extended period of time whereby, well, I call it studying to failure. So whenever I study to failure, I study to a point whereby I'm feeling tired or I'm beginning to feel sleepy, or I find myself reading paragraphs and I don't even know I was already reading. The moment I find myself in that zone, I clock out. I drop my book, I go and sleep for a period of time, maybe 5, 10 minutes or 20, depending on how long I've studied, and then I come back again. The reason for doing this is because it helps you to retain more information and it helps you to focus more. Secondly, the second thing you can do is practice. Please, you cannot be better at something if you don't put in the work. So if you're a student out there or you're preparing for an exam, a professional exam, your postgrad or masters or whatever the case may be, or maybe you just want to learn to study harder, please, our advice, try to do it consistently. The more you try, the better you get at it. So your brain is like a muscle. You have to continuously exercise it for it to get better. So whenever you think you see yourself, slacking, please try to come back, put in the effort, study more, and you get better. And lastly, convince yourself, no matter what, that there is more reward when it comes to studying compared to scrolling through social media aimlessly and playing games for hours. Because the reward is usually greater. You are a better person, you are more informed, you are more intelligent, you have a higher chance of passing the exam, and in your work setting, probably you did excessive knowledge, if I put it that way, makes you a better individual. So with these 3 tips, I hope you find this informative. Please share this with someone who needs study tips on how to last longer when it comes to studying or how to study better. This will really help them. If you found this video informative, please once again follow, like, whatever it is, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in another video where we talk about other health tips. Thank you.